I had a request for how do we get to our section summaries, because we need those in order to check out. So I wanted to make a quick little video to show you how to get to that. We're starting from this zone in Infinite Campus. We're going to come up to the little waffle. Go ahead and give us a drop down. You're going to come down to the bottom of this drop down where it says reports. Inside reports, we're going to come down to where it says section summary. Give that guy a click. You can choose multiple classes at once if you would like to. Make sure this is on semester 2. That's going to be our end of the year grades. You can choose multiple classes at once if you want it to all come out. I usually just go class by class and give them a little staple so each class is its own little packet. Make sure this says section summary. We want to have their points possible, earned points, their in progress grade. I remove inactive students so that way we don't see students who are no longer taking our class on this roster. And then make sure that this has our final grade, percent and final grade. I have all of that on there. Student name, you can choose a portrait or landscape, up to you. This assignment sort is just if you want it to go, like mine are by categories, so it's like participation, tests, quizzes, whatever that is. Or if you want it to go like chronological, you can adjust it to like assignment start and end date. That's up to you. Usually the first one's just fine. Make sure all of our current students are checked. Cool, and that their display is by name. Otherwise, it'll come up with their student ID number. So there we go, by name. And we go ahead and hit generate PDF. And that's going to give us a little summary page like this. Depending on how many assignments you put in is how long this is going to be. Mine's 9 pages. I also have like 70 kids in first period. So you can see here's the list of all of our assignments, when they were doing things, how many points they were worth. As you notice below, it looks like our grade book. It's literally printing out verbatim what was in our Infinite Campus. And then I usually just do a scroll to the bottom to make sure that we can see our final grades, that are going on in here for grades after we post them. Okay, and so then this is how we get to the summary. This one would be 9 pages, for example, for my first period. You would hit print, and that you're going to do that for each class period that you teach.